Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
आता आमचा प्रोसिजर चालू झाला. इन्स्पेक्शन केला, ते लायसन ऑलरेडी यूज केलं. आता जर पंचनामा केला आणि विचित आम्ही आता क्विक मिटींग घेता अर्जंट आणि ताका नोटीस धाडटा.
नोटीस किती म्हणटा?
डेमोलिशन नोटीस धाडटा. काय इट शुड नॉट बी डेमोलिशन. ह्यो सगळे आता आमी व्हेरीफाय करतले आनी हेका नेक्स्ट मिटींग सरपंचान सांगला की आमी अर्जंट मिटींग कॉल करतले. तेजेर आमी फुडलो डेमोलिशन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करतले.
Panchayat Raj Act requires that this is the procedure that should be followed. So the Panchayat is on track, which is a good sign, and we will follow it up. Almost everyone who has interest in demolition, some of the people or us, we will follow it up constantly. There is no question. The building, there is not a percentage of legality in that. See the extent of illegality that you can see in that place. I'm amazed that government allowed such a construction to come up in this zone. I think government should also take a responsibility and fix the responsibility on all those authorities. Town and country planning asu, Talathi asu, deputy collector asu, all are involved in grant of these permissions, and
So I feel that they should go one step ahead. The one step ahead is to demolish it. When one step ahead is above the rest, and notice diupak and egurpak time kadpan already notices are served. They have to go ahead for a demolition. We have seen a lot of demolitions taking place, politically motivated. But here that doesn't seem to have that is happening here.